So guys, I had a nice swim session. So I just finished taking a shower in the men's locker room in the YMCA, but my swimming clothes are soaking wet. What am I going to do? Alright, so if you step over here, this is called a SuitMate Swimsuit Water Extractor. Basically, you put your strings in this little basket. So you just simply lift up the lid, put it right here when it's soaking wet. Make sure there's no straw strings hanging. And then I'm going to simply, here's instructions right here, but it's very simple. You basically close the lid, press it down for 8 seconds, it'll automatically stop. See how it automatically stops? It's best to press the elbow because that way it's easier. Alright, see? Now it's basically all dry. Just hang it to dry and you're good for the next day. And that's how you use a swimsuit water extractor.